Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Amit Verma. Uh, in today's video, we are going to deploy a container instance on Microsoft Azure using Terraform, step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a running container app on Azure created completely with Terraform. Let's get started. Before we begin, first check Terraform version. Terraform installed on my machine. Now, second, Azure account login. Azure account is also logged in. Uh, Now jump into our Terraform configuration file main.tf. We will go line by line so you can understand everything. This block of code tell Terraform that we will use the Azure provider from HashiCorp and we are using version 3.0 or above. The next, the provider block connect Terraform with Azure. The feature block is mandatory and skip provider registration equals to true. Help speed thing up and side the sandbox or a limited environment. Here we are using data block to fetch an existing resource group. This means Terraform wouldn't create it, it will just use it. This is our main resource, the Azure Container Group. We are naming it demo CG, setting location and resource group dynamically and giving it a public IP address so we can access it from anywhere. And the DNS level must be unique. So make sure change it inside the container block. Be defining inside the container block. Be defining container name, image, CPU, memory, compute specification. We are using Microsoft official Hello World image for testing. And finally, the output block will print the public DNS hostname once the deployment is completed. Once your main.tf file is ready, open terminal. I'm using the same VS Code terminal. Clear screen. Okay, maybe there is some issue. I'll need to check. I think they showing some version issue. So I'll copy this command to upgrade this version. Again, initialize and installing. After initialize command, next run Terraform plant command to see what Terraform is about to create. This show a preview of resources will deploy. In our case, the only one resource will created. Next, we run Terraform apply auto approve. This command actually create the Azure Container Group. It usually take a minute to complete. Container is created in Azure portal. So we can see our portal also. I'll refresh this page. Okay, one demo CG container instance is created, and this is our uh, container endpoint. Now, mm, our container instance is deployed. And that's it. We just deploy an Azure Container Instance using Terraform less than in 10 minutes. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below what you want me to cover next. Maybe deploying a full app with Terraform or connecting it with the CI/CD pipeline. Thank you for watching, and I will be see you in next video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.